Good evening and warm welcome to each one of you. I'm Ura Trivedi and along with me, I have my co-host Anushri for our very first event, Scribble. जी भर के scribble करो और मस्ती करो. As someone rightly said, great things are an outcome of scribbling. So are you guys ready to be champions at Scribble? You guys must be wondering what is Scribble. ज़्यादा मत सोचो, मैं बताने ही वाली थी. Our event is all about doodling an object out of 3 given options by the system, and other 11 participants will have to guess what exactly is being doodled on the screen. अरे रुको, खेलना नहीं है, पहले रूल समझ लो.
So the rules are, there will be total 12 participants in the lobby. The participants will be given 3 words by the server, out of which they are supposed to select any one word and try to scribble it on the screen by only drawing. No letters are allowed to be written on the screen. If written, then there will be immediate disqualification. Total time is given 90 seconds. During this entire time, other participants will have to guess the word or the object. Participants will get points for guessing the object, but the person who is drawing will get bonus points if all the participants have managed to guess the object. The participants who score the most points will win the round. So let the fun begin.
Now, slot A people, pay attention to your game screens. The game shall start shortly. Audience and slot B participants, you can spam the chat box with answers and let's see how good you are at your guessing game.
Before we proceed further, I would like to thank Muskan ma'am and Bharti ma'am for joining in.
Okay, all the best, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
The game has begun and Payal will now choose the word.
All the best, Payal.
The word is a big word. Let's see how good she is at her drawing. Okay. Everyone buck up and okay. Ajmal, Shruti, Ibrahim. Okay, everyone is giving their inputs, but no one has cracked it. Okay, here even the Zoom chat is okay. Let's see. Buck up, guys. Clock is ticking.
The first word, some letter has been.
Buck up. 30 seconds left. Payal, can you draw a little more elaborate? Maybe others. Okay. 2 people have already guessed the word.
Melville and Ajmal has guessed the word correct. Congratulations to both of you.
So both of them have opened their accounts. Everyone, come on, it's your turn. People, keep on trying, you'll get the word.
They are leading the game.
Okay.
Oh, the word was celebrate.
Okay, now Shruti, let's see how you choose the word and show your drawing talent. Everyone, open your accounts. Okay, the word is a 6-letter word. Everyone thinks it's a mountain. Mountain cannot be a 6-letter word. Okay,
Melville is leading.
he has again
Guess
managed to
the word.
guess the word. It seems he is prepared and had have enough revision before coming here.
His vocabulary and guessing the drawing skills is very nice.
Okay, here we have a change in color. It seems she is an artist here. I clearly can't do all this. Okay, Purvi just joined. Purvi, let's see if you can get
It's
every.
desert. Oh, Drushti is choosing the word now.
All the best, Drishti. This is also a 6-letter word.
She seems a good artist.
Wow, we have Melvin again guessing the right word.
Melvin is leading this round.
Come on, everyone. Everyone who has 0, let it. Payal,
Payal,
both of them have
Payal and Srinath. Ibrahim has guessed the word. Woo!
good going, guys. Purvi, Abhishek, Vaishnavi, Backup.
Abhishek has guessed the word.
Congrats. The word was donkey.
Donkey.
Backup, everyone, and congrats. And now,
Now Payal is choosing the word.
it's a 5-letter word. Okay, no Melville, Ajmal, Ibrahim, Drishti, Shruti, no mango.
No. Even I thought the mango for a minute, huh?
Now, okay, Vaishnavi has guessed it correctly.
Ajmal. Purvi is leading the game.
Come on, everyone. Melville, Ibrahim,
Abhishek also guessed the word.
Srinath. Okay, Abhishek also guessed it, yes. Up, we have more seconds. R is the second word. Okay, Melville guessed the word. The second was fruit.
The word is fruit.
Good game, guys. Okay, now Ajmal is choosing a word. All the best. It's a 4-letter word.
Something blue is there.
Blue.
Vaishnavi guessed the word. Melville also. Purvi. Woo!
Okay, wow, it's an easy
Srinath.
theme. Shruti, water is not a 4-letter word. Stream. Oh my god, everyone. Abhishek, Ibrahim, Shruti, Payal. Okay, Drishti also guessed it correctly. Now we have a change in color. It was wave.
Dave.
Keep drawing.
Shruti is choosing the word and she is drawing.
The word is a 7-letter word.
7-letter word, yeah.
Eye, is it an eye? No. Eyebrows, eyelash, eyeball.
Vaishnavi corrected.
Correctly. Let's see what it is. Everyone buck up.
Abhishek also guessed the word. Srinath, Ashwin, Purvi. Woo!
Come on, Drishti, Ibrahim, Ajmal, Payal. We have few seconds.
The word was eyebrow.
Vaishnavi is at the top right now, and Ajmal will now choose a word. It's a 6-letter word. Let's see how good he is at showing his art skills. Ajmal, yeah. Stickman it is. Stickman, arrow, another stickman. Mama, parent, father, skinny boy.
Drishti, Vaishnavi select the word. Vaishnavi is leading this game. Shruti is on the second position. Father.
Okay, it was father, yeah. Now, Payal, all the best. Payal, please draw. It's a 7-letter word.
Payal.
Yeah, she's on the screen.
She's an artist. She's probably drawing the outer lines.
This even today. Anushri, how good were you in art? School mein?
No. School में तो I can't say anything. My drawing book was always empty.
I wouldn't cry in my math lecture, but I would surely cry in my art lecture. That was something
Oh,
I can't draw a simple flower. All this I can't.
yeah.
There are so many.
Scenery was only drawing which I used to make very nicely.
Yeah, same. Triangle, mountain, hut, river. That is all I can do.
Yeah.
Guess
And that Sunko wo that race wala.
Now I see Melville in form. All this while he was not guessing.
Ashwin guessed the word first. Then Melville.
Melville. Now Shruti, Ajmal, Vaishnavi, Purvi.
Vaishnavi also select. Leather. Oh,
Okay.
it was quite challenging, huh?
All the best, Purvi. Banana. Melville guessed it. Vaishnavi, Ajmal, Srinath, Prishti, Pai. This seems an easy word. People on Zoom are also guessing it.
Someone is
Sheikh Ibrahim. Come on, Ibrahim is the only one who's not able to guess.
Ibrahim left the game. I think he is facing some network issue.
The word was banana.
Banana.
Okay, now Melville, all the best. Ibrahim is laughing. I don't know. He's just laughing that he couldn't do that banana. It's okay. Orange. Okay, it's not balloon, it's not orange. Purvi, can you try a bit more? Okay, sorry, Melville is wrong. Saffron, it's not saffron. Okay, I think what it is.
Yeah,
Maybe guess it right.
Vaishnavi guessed it. Payal also guessed it.
The girl gang is going strong here. Okay, even
Ooh,
did.
Drushti.
Okay, now
Ajmal, Ibrahim, Srinath.
Purvi, everyone is guessing it right. Shruti
Nice drawing skills.
Everyone is giving him a thumbs up.
Basketball.
Yeah, basketball it was. Here we have Vaishnavi in the lead with 2035, I suppose. Word and okay, everyone has already started guessing it. Shruti, buck up, you're the only one. No, Shruti, it's a 3-letter word. Everyone guessed it. Perfect. Drishti, all the best.
The word seems very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Vaishnavi is so fast. Okay. Zoom people are also giving their guesses, and here we have answers from Vaishnavi, Melville, Shruti, and Ibrahim. It's not trees, it's not forest. Ibrahim is giving claps, okay. Is it for the good drawing? Acha, okay. You all can give a green thumbs up if you guys like the drawing, and you can get thumbs down if you don't
It's
like
a
the drawing.
jungle.
Yeah. All the best, Srinath. The word is a 7-letter word. No, it's not cone, funnel, rainbow. Okay, there's a funnel, then there's a house. Okay, Vaishnavi, Purvi, Drushti, Ibrahim, everyone correct? It's correct. Why are the guys not competing well?
Vaishnavi is leading the game, followed by Melville. Then Shruti.
Melville guessed it correct. Mehak is so excited to
Third.
already join the game. She's spamming the Zoom. We
Third
can't wait
letter is tornado.
Oh, it was a tornado, yeah. Good drawing.
Oh,
Okay, okay.
Very
It's an
easy.
easy word and everyone is jumping. Okay. Yes, Simran, we see your answers. Okay, everyone has drawn it properly and we still have good amount of time. Everyone guessed it.
Sorry guys, this word will be short to you, so just play this for the fun because I have to share my screen.
Just draw. Maybe they were not. Okay, Ibrahim was smart enough to see the screen and write it.
If we guess it, then we get points, right? So you need to minus it, right?
Yeah, we'll minus. This round points won't be considered. Diksha, please take note. Diksha, just take a picture of the point and deduct it later on. Okay, these points will not be considered. And the round 2 begins. All the best. Ibrahim begins this round. Vaishnavi, it seems you have supporters on Zoom as well. It's a big word and it's not a restaurant, it's not a swimming pool, it's not cutlery. Manish on Zoom says it's a toothbrush. I do not know which toothbrush looks like this. I think I'll have to upgrade my toothbrush to something that looks like this. Everyone buck up, the time is ticking. It's not bartender, not slide. You can check. We have word as E.
The fifth letter is E. You can take a help of that. Seventh letter is W.
W. The time is ticking and Melville
has guessed it correct. Congratulations, Melville. You're on the third position.
We still have Vaishnavi on the first place. It was
Silverware.
And hence the color silver. Okay, yeah. All the best. It's a 4-letter small word. Let's see who guesses it correctly. Okay, Purvi has already guessed it, followed by Vaishnavi. And no, it's not stone, fruit, teddy bear.
Melville Srinath has also guessed it correct.
And here Vyakhya on Zoom is also okay. Vyakhya, Mehek, we can see your answers going correct. Abhishek has also given the right answer. The time is ticking. Come on, Drishti, Shruti, and Ibrahim. Purvi this round. And now Shruti, all the best. If one Vaishnavi, you have supporters on Zoom saying Vaishnavi is still on lead competition. Outsiders are already scared of Vaishnavi. And it's not a human. Pinocchio. It's not a Pinocchio. Maybe you can draw something more for them to guess it. The clock is ticking. Maybe you guys can. The fifth word is you. You can take help of that and maybe try. The fourth last word has been revealed, and now Srinath and Melville have guessed it correctly. Purvi has also guessed it. It was astronaut. Ajmal and Ibrahim were almost there. And now Shruti is going, and the word is. No, it's not a fountain. Not spinach. Srinath guessed it correctly. It's not grass. Vaishnavi also guessed it correct. Aman Mishra on Zoom has also guessed it. We do not know if it's that right. Okay, it's not cauliflower, cabbage. Purvi has guessed it correct. Vyakhya and Manish are also writing on Zoom. Macaroni is broccoli. Yeah, Manish, you were right there. Okay, now Payal is drawing. It's not daughter, not a girl. Melville, your supporter says that the word was easy. Melville, easy tha yaar. That was Kishan helping you maybe? Okay, there's a flag, there's a girl, there is an arrow.
Yes, Chirag, Vaishnavi is.
Vaishnavi is OP. Vaishnavi surely has gained.
Vaishnavi will.
Vaishnavi will win this round is what people are saying. Let's see if the participants.
Vaishnavi, all the best.
Let's see if.
Melville,
Okay, Melville guess the word. Surely Melville is not okay with Vaishnavi. Let's see if others are okay with that. Vaishnavi also. Okay.
yes. But there's a huge difference between Melville and Vaishnavi's.
So Melville have to buck up. Okay. Purvi also guessed it. The word was patriot. The game will end at round 2. So buck up and take your chance here. 5-letter word and nobody is able to guess it. Come on, buck up. It's not letter.
It's
Okay.
not.
Aman, Mehak, Muskan on Zoom are all spamming. Let's.
Ibrahim guessed it correct.
Ashwin.
Ashwin.
Vaishnavi, Drishti, Srinath, they're all there. Melville, Shruti, Payal, Ajmal, Abhishek.
Something pink in color.
Come on, you guys can do it. Last 2 seconds. Maybe try something. Payal guessed, and the word was stamp. All the best, Vaishnavi. Okay, Mehak is quite smooth in her drawing. It's not horse, donkey, camel. Pura zoo le aaye ye log to. Melville and Purvi guessed it correct. It's not tiger. No, it's not tiger. And Drishti is there, bang on. Mehak guesses the word right on Zoom. We have Ibrahim, Srinath, Abhishek, Ajmal, Payal guessing it right. Shruti,
It's
Baka,
not cherry. It's
Right,
zebra.
and Mehak did get it correct. Drishti, all the best. It seems Vaishnavi did her proper homework. I really need to ask what she did to prepare for this game. Okay, it's not.
She has revised all her vocabulary words and practiced with guessing and drawing skills.
Or as Ibrahim said, she was on this entire lockdown. Like me,
I think they both would have played this game together.
Yeah. मुझे किसने
Is it
बोला?
Vaishnavi?
He has dictionary of scribble.
Yeah.
Okay, Chirag, Ibrahim has dictionary of scribble. Okay, Vaishnavi again guessed it right. Okay, no, Chirag says Vaishnavi has the dictionary of scribbles. Okay, understood, Chirag. My bad. No, it's not vegetable. And I think I'll agree with Chirag that Vaishnavi has answers. Okay, Melville and Drishti, both of them guessed it right. All the best, Srinath. The word was quite easy, semicircle. It's a 4-letter word and Ajmal, Vaishnavi, Melville, Pai. Okay, everyone is guessing.
It's tree.
Srinath has very good drawing skills, or was the word easy? Or can we say both? Because even I can't draw a tree. So I'll give him both. All the best, Abhishek. No, it's not a bucket.
It's not a waffle. Now I'm very hungry after reading this waffle, yaar.
है ना मुझे भी. Somebody treat me with a waffle today.
Yeah, the winner will treat us.
Yeah, done.
Yes.
Now let's see if Vaishnavi still wants to win this. Vaishnavi,
Correct. Vaishnavi, please.
I'm sending you
PUBG wala helmet.
No, Ibrahim still is writing waffle. Ibrahim ऐसा वरना तो waffle देना मुझे.
इब्राहिम का waffle बहुत favorite है लगता.
बस Ibrahim is ready to give us a waffle. So 1 waffle from him and 1 waffle from Vaishnavi.
Yeah. Treat on winning this game.
It's not biscuit, chess, window, packet.
Packet.
Word is tea. Okay, Vaishnavi,
Vaishnavi guessed it. Vaishnavi is definitely going to
waffle.
give us the waffle.
Today we have waffle from
Okay.
Vaishnavi. Okay, Melville, Purvi, Srinath, and Drishti guessed it correct.
Muskan
Okay,
ma'am thinks it's a blanket. Muskan ma'am was correct. Woo!
Muskan ma'am, you also join the next game.
Yes, ma'am. Do join.
It's too much fun, huh? No, I'm having fun in the chat box. You guys continue.
Thank you, ma'am. Great.
Okay, now Mehak is also supporting. Mehak, is this for marks? Do I consider this for marks?
Internal
the
marks, huh, Mehak?
हाँ internal में मुस्कान मैम दे. Okay, Abhishek, Drishti, Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi guessed it. Drishti Abhishek. हाँ, Mehak. We know. Everyone knows your scheme. So okay, it's not a scheme
मुस्कान
anymore.
मैम भी पढ़ रही है. मैम देख लेना हाँ इंटरनल्स में महक सावला का नाम. Okay, so Vaishnavi is at 8165, followed by Mitansh is not on Zoom. Akshita joined, Sahil joined, Manish joined. Yeah. Now we are waiting for Aman. Okay, we can start.
So all participants are on the lobby.
Yeah.
There are 9 participants.
Sahil has joined
Two of
twice.
them won't be joining, so
Okay.
Okay, fine.
we
So
can
we can
start.
start. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the best to all the participants. Aman is choosing the word. He will be drawing it.
Anushri, your voice is coming cracked. Can you just mute and unmute yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the word is a 5-letter word. It's not board, it's not box. Box is a 3-letter word, Pranali. I'm sorry, Pranil. Mehak is again spamming on Zoom. I really want to see how Mehak performs
Mehak
here.
is very excited, I guess. Is it better now, Ura?
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. Okay, Vrinda has guessed the word correctly, followed by Yash.
Yash,
No, Sahil, it's
Brin-
not H.
Brinda, Manish and Yash are leading this game. Congratulations, Brinda, Manish and Yash. Mehak thinks it's stamp. Ma'am also thinks it's stamp.
Ashwin, please check. There are 2 Sahils on the screen, but there's only 1 Sahil. So, is that a technical error or?
Sorry, can you repeat?
There are 2 Sahils on the screen. So, is that a technical issue or something? Because we have only 1 Sahil registered.
Okay.
That?
Just a second. This Sahil is drawing, so I suppose this is the one who is in the meet.
Yeah, so you can just remove that other Sahil, so there'll be less of confusion.
Yeah, wait, I will remove. I will.
Vrinda. For the first round, Vrinda is on the lead, followed by Manish, followed by Aman.
Hold.
Please mute. Yeah. Okay, Sahil is really trying hard. It's a big word, and we have a hint. The third last word is M.
Yash guessed it correct.
Okay. I think I also know the word. Why? Okay. Muskan ma'am has also.
Muskan ma'am.
Okay, Akshita joined, and Aman has guessed the word correct. Backup.
I guess I have understood the word. It's Christmas.
Ma'am was right. Okay, again Sahil is drawing. All the best. Okay, Aman, Chirag is saying you can do it. See, Aman has his gang supporting him, and Mehak is again trying for some internal marks and saying, "Ma'am is always right." Ma'am, I
Yes,
propose
yes.
you to remove Mehak and give her.
It's Vatican.
Okay, no. Okay, Yash is now choosing a word.
Okay,
We have
fine.
all the
So, so guys, please don't kick out me if you want to play this fun game. So please don't kick out me. It's a sincere request from you all. Yeah, so we can start the game now.
फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए हम वापस एक दिन बुलाएंगे तुम लोग को, तब करना है ये सब. Not today. अक्षिता और
Quite humorous, huh, Uda?
अब इन्विक्टस फुटबॉल भी चालू करेगी. We'll have to convince Aparna ma'am for that. Okay, Akshita. Okay, it's a 2-word. We have 2 words here.
It's quite difficult, I think.
Let's see if Akshita manages to.
Akshita will
it's not-
manage. Akshita will manage.
Okay,
Muskan
Muskan
ma'am
ma'am
has
has
magic
her-
wand. Aman has guessed it correct. See, Aman is guessing it correct.
Even Vrinda guessed it correct. Go Vrinda. We are all okay. Mehak has
Yash
also.
guessed it correct.
Actually, I'd request you to not say the word loud. I think they took your help and said it.
My bad. It's okay. 1 point. Some points on behalf of me. It's okay.
अच्छा ये waffle देंगे तो points देगी.
Yes.
Got the magic wand, and we
Now
have
Vrinda is choosing the word.
Go Vrinda.
Vrinda, showcase all your drawing skills.
My money is on you. I think this slot Vrinda is going to win. Please, Vrinda, prove me correct.
Vrinda, I'll give you the waffle.
अच्छा अभी तक waffle चाहिए थी अब. Vrinda अच्छा बनाना. Vrinda Mehak is also telling अच्छा बनाना.
For some reason, I
Vrinda,
didn't get the option at all.
oh, what happened?
Oh, it's
Okay, fine, I'll
nice.
ask. Yeah.
All the best.
Sahil is
Sahil.
choosing the word. All the best, Sahil.
This is also. I think Ashwin, please check.
Is there any
Vrinda-
technical glitch?
Yeah, both of
Participants
them.
are, participants are
Pranil?
Pranil, you can try something. Maybe they'll all.
He drew something and he rubbed. Is it a
Yeah.
eraser or something?
No,
sorry,
he's
it's a
actually-
9-letter word.
Yeah, Anushri. I think I should send you to 3rd grade again. Leave college.
Oh yeah, please, Ura.
Pranil is again. Okay, the first word is V, and it's not volleyball, Vrinda. No, it's not volleyball. Let's see what it is. 2 red circles it is. Buck up everyone. Aman, Manish, Henil, Yash, Sahil, Akshita, and Vrinda. Pranil is trying all the colors. Okay, Yash got it there. No, Sahil, it's not Valentine. How does this make Valentine? Red.
Valentine.
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
How?
Okay.
Yeah. A new drawing for vegetable we now have. All the best, Vrinda. Okay, Vrinda is trying out there. I think what
It's
it is.
something.
No, it's not fire. It's not fire. It's not camp.
It's not bonfire. It's not heat. It's a
It's not
four-letter
add.
word.
Born, not born. Aman got that
Guessed
right.
it correct.
Muskan ma'am and Ibrahim are guessing it on Zoom. Let's see if they get it right.
मुस्कान मैम and Ibrahim जोरदार टक्कर है. Muskan ma'am thinks it's okay.
No, we cannot say that aloud.
Yeah.
We'll say, okay, Yash got that right. Followed by Henil.
Emil has got it correct.
Brinda has an amazing drawing. Please, everyone appreciate it.
It's boil.
Oh, it's
Okay.
boy.
It was quite difficult to guess. Huh?
Yeah. All the best,
Akshita
Akshita.
is Akshita is drawing and guessing the word.
This is a 5-letter word.
Ibrahim is saying good drawing.
Though, yeah,
Thanks on behalf of
Brinda.
them, Ibrahim.
Brinda thinks this is a cone.
Ashwin thinks it's a cup. Ashwin, it's a 5-letter word.
It's not cream. It's not a spoon. I think Muskan ma'am might get it right. Let's see. Okay, Yash guessed that right. And Yash is leading the scoreboard at 565 right now, followed by Aman, followed by Brinda, followed by Pranil, and then everyone is yet to open their accounts.
Sahil, Akshita, and Hemil. Buck up, guys. Even Manish.
Yep. Okay, Brinda got that right. Sahil, Aman are still trying, and so is Ashwin.
Aman, jaldi पैसे तेरा पे लगा है. It's a scoop.
It's scoop. Muskan ma'am.
हाँ इसमें एक ही राउंड करेंगे. दीक्षा
तो वो बोल देते हैं, रुक जा.
Host, can you mute everyone once? Then the anchors will unmute themselves.
पूरा मेरा कमेंट पढ़ना.
We have Aman followed by
Hello.
Sahil, Pranil. Everyone is guessing. And, okay, Ujjwal is the only one left. Ujjwal is still trying. House, tree.
क्या पता.
Okay, everyone got that correct. Congratulations, and Yash is winning. Pranil is now drawing. All the best. It's a 6-letter word and it's not Christ. Let's see if Zoom participants get it correct first, or
It's a 6-letter word, guys. It's not Jesus. It's not.
I think Prisha got it right on Zoom.
अभी भी आवाज आ रहा है क्या? चेक ना.
It's not multiply, it's not God.
multiply.
अभी भी आ रहा है क्या?
Mehek, okay, so Zoom people are getting it right. Okay, no, that's not the
Even
correct
Zoom
word.
people are wrong.
Yeah, they're also wrong. Buck up, everyone. It's Zoom versus the Scribble people. Let's see who gets it right. Maybe you can
guess.
show a little more and show something.
No, it's not medical. It's not Christy.
Can you draw a little
Yeah.
more?
Pranil, can you draw something more?
The 3rd letter has been revealed. The 5th letter has also been revealed.
3rd letter is, I guess, I, and
I.
yeah,
5th is S.
S.
Brinda says you can draw a little better. Can you do that, Pranit?
Pranil?
I'm sticking 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, the word was pressed.
Okay,
Quite
nobody got it.
challenging.
All the best, Akshita. It's a 5-letter word.
It's quite simple, I guess.
It's not grass. Even I thought it would be
Oh,
grass.
it's
No,
not
it's not
grass.
grass.
Even I thought it's grass. No, ma'am, you're
No,
wrong
Aman.
this time.
It's not shrub. It's not
It's
trees.
not trees.
अश्विन
बोल
कुछ कर रहा है क्या? Like share screen कुछ
Okay,
नहीं कर रहा है ना?
people are guessing it correct, I think.
नहीं कुछ नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि वो
It's
तो सिमरन को खाली कोऑर्डिनेट
What March
कर और
wants
उसको बोल जो
grass, no.
फोटो लेने ये बोले ने तू ले क्योंकि मैं इधर दो चीज एक टाइम पे
It's 5-letter words.
Just a minute.
कॉल करता हूँ.
सुनो अनुश्री को बोलो कि वो उसका
Guys, please, who is this lol? Host, can you please remove this participant? Everyone are correct. It's very easy. Huh? Now Aman is choosing the word. All the best, Aman. Oh, you are leading this game. Great. Some line is, oh, it's rug. Brinda, it's not a slope. Yash guessed it, Manish guessed it. Akshit, everyone are guessing it. Shruti Bandekar. I guess you are right. Even Zoom people are leading this game. Ujjwal thinks it's cool. No. Second letter is P, Ujjwal.
Okay. Ujjwal is the only one now there to guess.
Ujjwal, buck up. It's spoon.
Okay, can we all please welcome the CL of the fest? Even Lol is surprised to have the CL here. Ayush, you have some fans here, I see. All the best, Manish.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, this is a two words.
It's a 2-letter word. First word is of 4 letters.
It's not holy. I wish I could play that this year, which I couldn't. It is not kick bucket.
It's, I guess, no.
No, it's not fire rocket. It's not holy bucket.
It's not a fire brigade.
Maybe you can try something else. Okay, Manish is trying. Let's see if you guys. Zoom people are also silent
Zoom
now.
people start spamming.
Any guesses? Any guesses from Zoom? Ujjwal says
Ujjwal
it's
thinks it's
water.
water. No. It's a 2-letter. Sorry, it's 2 words. These are
Aman
2
says
words.
bad drawing. The
The
word
word
was nail polish.
Oh. Guys, this points.
Will not be. This round won't be considered. So do not spam. Maybe just. Ujjwal.
Ujjwal, nice drawing. We agree you are an artist.
Wow, Ujjwal.
Ujjwal RIP. Aman OP. Yeah, Aman is leading. अमन पे लगाया हुआ पैसा वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा for sure.
Vrinda, please save me. And everyone.
Vrinda.
Okay, so Anushri, I'd rather say if everyone other than Aman wins, then you'll treat me, and if Aman wins, I'll treat you. Let's go with that.
Yeah, chalo, let's go with
Okay. So everyone other than Aman, I'm supporting you guys. Okay, see, Yash guessed that correct, but this won't be considered. Okay, we'll just wait. Yeah, it's ending.
RIP Ujjwal.
These points won't be considered. And the round 2 begins, and right now at lead we have Aman followed by Vrinda followed by Akshita.
Now
Everyone
Sahil
try
is
to get
choosing
on
the
the
board.
try to get on the top 3 so that you guys get selected.
For the final round.
Yep. 5-letter word it is.
So 5 letter.
It's not mouse. It's not
Ujjwal
drop.
thinks it's water. No, Ujjwal, you are wrong.
Zoom वाले सो गए लगता है. Okay, no. Muskan ma'am
जागे है.
Muskan ma'am maybe has correct answer with her. Let's see.
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim says, I can't say it aloud right now.
No. Ibrahim, it's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong.
It's 5-letter word. The 4th letter is I.
Okay, he says it is wrong.
I know. He knows. He is just spamming this chat box. He's very excited.
Okay, I think ma'am is correct then. The second last word is L.
Oh, it's L. Sorry.
Yes, Ibrahim also might have got that correct. Everyone start guessing. The time is going. You have 13 seconds left. Oh, it was Mario. It was not whale. No, Muskan ma'am. All the best, Hemil. We have a request. We want Muskan ma'am to play the final round. A 5-letter word.
Something with red in color.
It's not church.
It's not church. It's not hell.
Ibrahim says he will have to let ma'am win for marks. Ibrahim has only come for marks here, clearly.
Yes.
And it's not priest.
Aman is not priest. The second letter is U.
Yep. Okay, I think I know
Muskan
this.
ma'am, I
And
think
Yash guessed
it's
it
correct. Yeah. Yash guessed
Akshita
it
also
correct.
guessed it correct.
Where is
I think
Aman?
Prisha on
Yes,
Zoom.
Aman also guessed it correct.
So only Vrinda and Ujjwal could not guess that. All the best, Yash. I'd say the nurse drawing was pretty good. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a long word. Let's see if Hinil gets it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get on. It's not like.
Kindergarten लेके जाएगा ये. I think Mehak is correct there.
It's not abacus.
Ujjwal says
Abacus have
Barakhadi.
beads. Akshita.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
Zoom
not
people
calendar
have
also.
guessed. Oh, it's
Pranil
not.
has guessed it correct.
Yep.
Calendar is close.
Let's see if you guys
Okay.
can get it now. Okay, I think Muskan ma'am also got it.
Wrong spelling.
Okay.
Yes. It's not planner also. Oh, Muskan ma'am, you're wrong. Aman Mishra.
Aman.
Yes, Aman. Good going.
It was
What was calendar?
Okay, the spelling on
Spelling
the
mistake.
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, focus on
all
your
the best,
spellings.
Pranil. update you with the marks. We have Aman at the lead, followed by
Yash.
okay, Vrinda, Manish, Yash have already guessed this.
It's very easy.
Okay, we have only Sahil and Ujjwal left to guess it. Okay, now we have only Ujjwal left. And Zoom people have all Mehak on fire. We have Mehak fans already before Mehak even joins the server. She has fans built up.
Amazing, Mehak. Please teach me your skills.
All the best, Rakshita. Okay, this is a small word.
Small word with
Not
6
mango.
letters.
Pranil,
It's,
Brinda have already
yeah.
guessed it. So has Mehak and Muskan ma'am. Henil,
The
Aman
sea
have
treasure
already
drawing.
guessed it. Okay, so we've got it correct. Now Brinda is choosing, and we still have Aman on lead, followed by Akshita, followed by Pranil.
I think it's बुफे का वो ऊपर वाला जिसके अंदर वो चिकन रखते हैं.
नहीं अच्छा okay, maybe no, it's not burger, it's not Mac burger. Okay, Mac burger. अब Mac burger किसको ट्रीट करना है?
यार बहुत भूख
जो
लगी
ये
है
सब
अभी
लिखेगा
तो.
वो सब मुझे ट्रीट देगा.
मैं भी हूँ यहाँ यूरा. थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे भी दे दे.
Yash guessed it correct. So Yash
Yash
wants
guessed.
to treat us. Let's see.
Yash, please give us the treat.
Okay. Akshara is trying hard there with her drawing.
It's not hamburger. It's Aman also guessed it correct.
It was cheeseburger and Dhruv got it
Oh.
correct from Zoom.
Aman
Now-
is drawing. Aman, all the best. सारे पैसे तुझ पे.
Let's go, Aman, is what Ibrahim is saying. Ibrahim has his own following base here. It's a big word. Let's see if you all can guess it correct.
इब्राहिम का क्लास CR है. I guess Aman.
Acha, Aman is the class CR.
Yash has guessed it correct. Manish has guessed it correct.
Akshita is also
Akshita
guessed it
also.
correct. It's
I'm not able to guess it here.
I think Muskan ma'am guessed it correct.
Yeah, maybe.
Aman is bringing ways and means to show other people. Okay, it was electricity, yes. Manish, all the best. I think this is the last round, yeah. Let's see who takes this. The
Muskan ma'am
fourth
can be.
word and Brinda Henel have already guessed it. It's not stair, it's not a wave. Okay, Aman guessed it correct.
It's not
Vyakhya is
stairs.
also guessing on
Sahil has
Zoom.
guessed it correct.
Pranil also guessed it correct. Prisha on Zoom is also. Muskan ma'am wishes all the best to everyone. Ab to sab jeetenge.
Ujjwal, that's a kind request to you. Will you please kick out that participant? LOL से डर गया क्या?
I'm not the host right now. Ashwin is the host.
Will be doing it. Sheetal guessed the word, followed by Esas, followed by Mehak, Janam, No, it's not bicep, not bodybuilder. I think I know the answer.
Yeah, maybe.
No, okay.
Manish. No, it's not muscles. I was wrong then.
There Ayush is commenting. I cannot say it aloud. Though.
Aman.
Okay.
Aman
I
may be
don't-
right.
bicep.
Sakshi guessed it right. Ooh. Muscles. I was correct.
I don't
Spelling
right.
mistake. Prerna, you were very correct, but spelling mistake.
A 4-letter word. Let's see if Ehsas manages to show the correct word. A stickman there saying, okay, Ehsas is redrawing. Sakshi says it's a kiss. Dhruv says it's hell. Melville here is, okay. I think Muskan ma'am again got it correct and Ibrahim also. No, it's not talk. It's not yell. It's not speak.
Sakshi guessed it correct.
It's not say, shout. Buck up, everyone.
Sheetal is leading the game, followed by Dhruv and Ehsas. Guys, buck up.
Maybe you can draw a little more and. Okay,
Prerna
Prerna,
guessed it correct.
she has opened her account. Is that Mohammed Om? Please open your accounts.
Jainam is guessing the word now.
The word was gas.
Sorry, choosing the word. Sorry.
Yep. Okay, it's a 7-letter word.
7-letter word.
It's not pond, cloud, puddle. Okay, I
No,
know
it's
what
not
it
a
is.
rainbow. Is it the same what I am thinking?
I
think Manish is correct.
Yeah, even I think what Manish thinks.
It's not a egg yolk. It's not how it can be WhatsApp. You're funny, Sakshi.
Okay,
It's not amoeba. Amoeba was the only diagram which I used to love to draw in the science.
Same. वही तो आता था.
Exactly.
पर उसमें भी वो सूडोपोडिया का स्पेलिंग नहीं आता था. तो वो
Yeah, correct. तो डायग्राम आके भी कुछ फायदा था नहीं.
भाई ना फुल मार्क्स तो मैं भी नहीं मिलते थे. एक तो चीज थी. It's not egg white, it's not flour, it's not a donut.
Donut.
Okay, now I think I know. Okay, Ayush is giving me the correct spelling of pseudopodia. Ayush मेरी स्कूल में मेरा एग्जाम पार्टनर बन जाता. Now I know what it is.
The time is ticking.
Melville also thinks what I think. Yeah, it was biology.
Biology.
Melville gets those points.
Om is choosing the word now. All the best, Om.
Oh,
Yeah, will be considered. Yeah.
Okay, Dhruv is drawing. Let's see how good Dhruv is.
Think no. Yeah, I may be right. Yeah.
It's not Angry Bird. It's not a bird.
Mehak guessed it right. Ujjwal guessed it right.
Ujjwal got it correct.
Even I
Sakshi
was
got it
right.
Ujjwal is surprised himself of how he got that correct. Prerna guessed it correct. It's not onion. It's a 2-word covered. Ibrahim is helping.
Ibrahim is helping them. Ibrahim, no cheating, no helping.
Keers and Om buck up. All the best, Prerna. Let's see if the
Prerna
zone
is
win
choosing.
this or the actual people playing. It's a 6-letter word.
think
Okay,
I'm
I
correct.
think I know, even I know it.
Yeah.
And Sheetal and Ujjwal, Sakshi also
Muskan
got
ma'am
it.
has guessed it.
Jainam,
Yes.
Esas, Mehak, Dhruv, Ibrahim also guessed it correct. Prisha,
Dhruv is leading this game, followed by Mehak
Akshita
and
and Melville
Ujjwal.
was
Oh,
guitar, but
Ujjwal, you are
not
leading the
violin.
game, huh?
Mohammed, all the best. Let's see how good you are at your sketching and drawing. Right now, leading at 870 is Dhruv. Oh, I'm sorry, Prerna at
Prerna
980.
is leading.
My bad, Prerna, my bad.
It's
Okay, it's a
okay.
4-letter word. It's not tree. It's not.
The drawing is very cute. I liked it.
100 points from Anushri to Muhammad for drawing.
I wish my points would matter in the game.
Keith guessed it correct.
Ma'am, only one word you are supposed to guess.
मैम जब हम एग्जाम में 2 लिखते तो आप तो 0 देते हो, फिर ये डबल डबल नहीं चलेगा मैम।
पूरा on fire, हाँ?
तो फिर मैम ऐसी चीज फिर हम लिखेंगे तो मैम 0 देती है। We have only 4 people not getting it.
It was head.
Jainam is
guessing, choosing the word.
अनुश्री को नींद आ रही है।
अरे नहीं, गेम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है।
Guys, make it interesting. We can't let Anushri sleep.
Guys, I'm not sleeping.
Just a reminder, it will only be for 2 rounds and not for 3 rounds. Sheetal got it correct. I think Ibrahim has also got it correct.
Yeah, Akshita. I guess everyone are correct. I'm loving it. This round is very interesting. Full of cartoons, huh? Minions is close, but it's not Minions.
Anushri, full of cartoons, including you, excluding you?
Excluding me.
Achha, excluding
and
you.
Including you.
ठीक है. Sakshi is now choosing. Why do I not see Mehak on fire now? She was all on fire on Zoom. Who's on lead? It is Sheetal. Okay, no, Prerna followed by Sheetal. It's not shout.
Oh, what is this? I got remembered of that WhatsApp wala emoji.
है ना same
Same.
और mama forcing me to eat spinach.
It was correct. Oh.
Esas is now
Esas is
choosing
using the word.
It's a 6-letter word, guys.
What is this? You?
Water, drool. No, it's not drool. It's okay.
Jainam guessed it correct.
Okay, yes. I think Aman is also right. Okay, Mohammed
Sakshi Mehak guessed it correct.
Om and Teeth. Maybe you guys can do it. This is SALAVA is close, so you can try something around it.
Maybe a spelling mistake. It can be a spelling mistake.
It was
Saliva. Whom is choosing the word now? Sakshi is leading the game, followed by Jainam and then Prerna. Guys, buck up. Mehak, you're on the 4th position. Try to get on the 3rd or 2nd.
Muskan ma'am has guessed it, followed by Prerna, Sakshi, Esas.
No, it's not circle.
Mehak ka luck not working now.
I thought it is the same, but no.
No,
it's tomato. Oh, spelling mistake.
Mehak ka spelling mistake. Okay, now Mehak is choosing.
Mehak is choosing the word.
Mehak,
तेरा पैसा
Muskan
इस पे है ना?
Muskan ma'am is saying Mehak check spellings. An advice given by Muskan ma'am. Okay, it's a 3-word ka, so it's a big guess. Let's see. It's not 3-letter word. Please check the screen.
It's 3 words
Mohammed,
which,
yeah,
which has 4 letters in the first word, third letters in the second, and again 4 letters in the third word.
okay, there Mehak is trying hard. I think Melvin is correct. Muskan ma'am is also giving her shot. It's not man and woman. It's not boy and girl. It's not boys and girl. The first
They
word
are
last
playing plural. Sakshi guessed it correct. Oh, congratulations, Sakshi.
Mohammed
Mohammed,
also got it.
congratulations to you as well. मेरे पे से साक्षी पे for sure.
Prerna also guessed it correct.
Ujjwal, the first word is having 4 letters and your husband is not having 4.
Melvin got it right, probably. Guys, buck up. The girls here are winning it all. Prerna, Sakshi, Sheetal, Mehak,
Finn and Jack. Even Muskan ma'am was correct.
Melvin says he
Sheetal
won't
is
answer.
true.
Okay, Muskan ma'am got it right.
Okay, sorry, my bad.
It's not orange apple. आज ये सब अनुश्री हमको भूखे करने
बहुत
वाले
भूख लगी है.
देने नहीं वाला.
Hey,
But
is
pizza
it the same? No, it's not Chrome also. Even I thought about the Chrome. Essas, even I was wrong. Essas guessed it correct now.
It's not Pokeball. It's not. Okay, I think Aman is correct there.
Change of colors, huh?
Sakshi got it correct. Mohammed got it correct. Ujjwal got it correct.
Prerna, Ujjwal.
Melville, I think you're correct.
I guess Melville is correct, yeah. Mehak guessed it correct.
Mehak
Dhruv
got
guessed
it
it correct. Spelling mistake. Jainam spelling
Soman,
mistake.
Jainam, buck up. Okay, now Tirth
Tirth is choosing the word. So close, yeah, Ibrahim.
It's a 4-letter small word. It's not
No,
line.
it's not road, land, wave, no lane, path, no, not trees. Jainam guessed it correct.
Jainam,
Dhruv, Sakshi, Essas, Ujjwal, Prerna. Good going.
Let's see if Om, Tirth and Mohammed get it. Okay, Tirth is
Om
gone.
has guessed it correct.
Mohammed. Okay, everyone guessed it.
Sakshi is leading the game, followed by Prerna, then
This
Essas.
round will not be considered.
The women power is leading, huh? Great.
Ujjwal, let's check your. Okay, Mehak is being smart here, but no, this round will not be considered.
She is not trying to be smart, yeah. She is smart. What, Ura?
Acha, I'm sorry.
Mehak
Good
job, good
job.
Copying. Marks deducted.
Yes, Aman.
अमन एक काम कर तू ही मार्क्स लिख ले अब. श्रुति सिंह लॉ. All the best for the final round. The round begins with Dhruv. And round 1 we have Prerna at the top, followed by Jainam, followed by Sheetal. The first 3 will be considered. Chirag is asking finals kab hai. We'll have a 10-minute buffer after this slot gets over, and then we'll take the finals. Okay. Tirth and
Excuse me. I
Yeah?
got disconnected. I joined again actually.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sakshi, your points will be considered. Don't worry.
Sakshi, are you in the game?
No, no.
Yes, yes, I'm in the game.
Yeah.
Thank you.
साक्षी के points 0 हो गए बस.
Yeah, she disconnected from the game, that's why.
हाँ.
But it will be considered. Don't worry, Sakshi. After all, Sakshi पे पैसे दे
अनुश्री.
रहे हैं यार.
हाँ भाई, अनुश्री will make sure कि points consider हो. पैसे डालो ना.
Exactly.
It's a 5-letter word. It's not ball, it's not earth. Zoom शांत हो गया guys. No one guessing on Zoom anymore. Okay, Dhruv got it correct. Okay, we have Esa, Steve, Sakshi, Jainam, Om, Mohammed, Sheetal, everyone guessing it. And Akshita has also guessed it. Bisha. Okay, Zoom people have also started guessing. Everyone got this round other than Ujjwal. Now Mohammed is choosing.
Everyone got it right except me.
Yep. Oh, I said the other way around. I'm sorry.
Stickman. This was my favorite drawing in the school. Even now, in
वही आता
fact.
था मुझे I could only draw this and
Yeah.
3 triangles.
This was my human figure.
Same.
Yeah. And my birds used to so thin ना बेचारे मेरे birds भूखे रखती थी मैं उनको. My grass and birds used to look the same.
Okay, I think why is there silence? Okay,
Rubbing, Jainam is rubbing something. It's a two words having 3 letters in the first and 4 letters in the second. Something human figure, okay. Great drawing skills.
Anushri gives you 100 on 100. Okay, I think Aman got it correct. Let's see if Aman gets that right.
No, it's not sunrise, pop rock, mankind. No, it's
This
not
is
mankind.
ribcage. Okay, Dhruv
Dhruv
got
guessed it correct.
Sakshi says 6 abs. Salman Khan thodi hai.
Yeah, it can be. Sakshi, just check. Yeah, Ibrahim can be correct.
Mehak, Ehsas, Sheetal. Okay, Ibrahim is saying it has to be that. Let's see.
Yes, Ibrahim, even you were correct.
Ehsas is now choosing. My doorbell just rang. Do I think it's waffle coming at my house? Do I consider that and get happy?
I wish my doorbell would ring.
I had a doubt.
Yep. Yes.
Will the second round be count or the third one?
The first and the second round, we will not be playing the third round. The game will be ended after this round gets over.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome. It's not. Okay, Prerna got it right. Janam got it right. Zoom वाले वापस शांत हो गए. Okay, Ibrahim there. Sheetal. Okay, Aman also tried. I think Aman.
Aman, yeah, even I think Aman is
yes,
right.
actually. Mehak catched you, it seems. Yep, it was right work. Where is Titanic?
Titanic. Oh.
All the best. Okay, Amin is replying to where the Titanic went.
Titanic gone down with. Oh, I missed the chat. With Leonardo DiCaprio.
Down in the ocean, Sakshi says. Sakshi is also leaving the game and replying where the Titanic went.
Wow. Now the game is aside and Titanic is on.
Pieces on Titanic is happening.
Yeah.
It's not Red House, walking.
Sakshit
drunk,
thinks it's drunk man.
homeless, leaving, spitting. What
Rose
is
let
this?
him drown.
Sakshi, what is this? Rose let him down. Okay, we are still on Titanic. I thought the chapter
Yeah,
was-
they are discussing over the Titanic.
There was space for two. Homeless, poor, bloodman. Please
They
check
are
the
handling-
hints. You have second and the fourth word is I.
On the screen, they are on the Red Man and Miniclip. Oh,
It was a tough one. Okay, all the best. Minek. It's not heels, tag. Okay, Sakshi got that right. I think what it is. Yep, I know. I wish even I can just write it on the chat box.
yeah, really.
Yep, I think
I'm
we are.
missing.
Even I
I'm
think what
missing this
we are
game to
doing.
play, yeah. Even I want to participate. Can I participate in the final round direct?
I think we can write it on the chat box as well.
Yeah, correct.
It was high heels. Even I don't
High
know.
heels. Oh, what the
Later
heels,
on, the
bro?
word. Guys, buck up. This is the last round, and Essas is leading. Okay, no, Prerna
Sakshi,
is
just a no. Just a good news for Sakshi. She is leading. Just now I got a message.
okay. Sakshi is leading, followed by Prerna, followed by Essas.
Followed by Essence.
There's
Yeah.
a girl gang here. Guys, buck
Yo,
up.
girls rock. Woo.
Okay, we have answers on Zoom as well as on Pant is closed. Om, Pant is
You can't
closed.
disclose that. It's just for usual.
Okay.
Yeah, but my screen is sharing, so everyone can see it. I know.
Yeah, there are few.
My bad. It's a 4-letter word, and Thieves is drawing. It is not star, moon, home, lake. बना है उसके पहले ही star.
Sakshi is very eager to write, huh? I mean, to guess. Draw किए बगैर ही guess कर लेते हैं यार. क्या लोग हैं. Very
Okay.
talented.
It's not cold. It's not pond. Ruby. Okay, Om guessed it correct.
Om guessed it right.
We have Ayush answering for us. I think he is wrong there. Ayush aake marega if now it's right. Essas got
Essas
it right.
guessed it correct.
Muskan ma'am
Maybe.
also.
Yeah, Muskan ma'am may be right. She can be right. It's full. Oh. उड़ी उड़ी चले Sorry,
पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जा।
I forgot that I am not on. After seeing this stickman, na, I got remembered of that fire exit wala.
All the best, guys. Yeah.
Mohammed is now choosing. I can't even put my money Anushri this time. It's just so.
Yeah, it's very tough this time.
Yes.
Aman and Sakshi are there. Yeah.
It's not head divide, row, part divide, math. Oh, maths कहाँ याद दिला
Vaishnavi
दिया
guessed
वो?
it right.
Okay, Vaishnavi is there, bang on with her answer yet again. It's a 4-letter word, guys. First, the third letter has been revealed. Okay, maybe you guys can try something. Oh, maybe Mohammed, you can draw something.
Sale. Oh.
All the best,
Sakshi is
Sakshi.
choosing. It's 2 words having 4 letters in first word and 6 letters in second word.
Prerna got that right, followed by Esas.
As of now,
Fruits,
Vaishnavi is leading, followed by Mohammed and many of them.
Melvin also guessed it correct, followed by Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi also guessed it correct.
Yash also guessed it. Okay, this round is interesting. Time. It was
Bell
bell
peppers. Oh.
tough one. I think even the server knows its finals, giving tough words.
Yes, right. Akshita is choosing the word.
All the best. It's a 7-letter word. It's not boxers. It's not
Akshi thinks it's
building.
boxers. Guessing on chat na. On chat na.
No.
Yeah. As it's a final round, no, you can't guess on the chat box. Sakshi guessed it right.
Sakshi,
Esas guessed it
Prerna.
right. No, ma'am, I don't think it's a bookshelf because
Melville,
second last is R. Second last letter is R.
Vaishnavi got it right. Yash, Abhishek.
It's library. Ma'am was
Aman
right.
and Mohammed buck up. Right now on lead.
Anchors, the game has started.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Okay, there are guesses, but okay, Vaishnavi got it correct. We have Vaishnavi opening her account. Let's go next opens.
Guys, we have a guest.
Yash also
Sandeep
guessed
sir
it
is in
correct.
our meeting. Welcome, Sandeep sir.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, even you can spam in the chat box for the winners.
Everyone guess who? Okay, we have 4 people opening their accounts, 6 more to go. The word was priest. Aisa, West. Sakshi Mohammed, you have already got it before the drawing could even complete. Okay, everyone other than Abhishek. Come on, Abhishek, you can do it. Everyone managed to guess the word. All the best, Yash.
Guys, spam the chat box for the winners.
Not for the answers, guys, only for the winners. Ehsas and Vaishnavi got it correct.
It's not compass.
Followed by Prerna and
Science. Simran thinks it's Aman.
Okay, Simran has her guess with Aman.
Aman is on the 9th position.
How
Aman,
many
buck
people?
up.
Okay, Aman, buck up. How many other people for Aman? Let's see.
Yash, come on, you can do it. Sorry, Yash is on the drawing. Sorry, my bad.
Ibrahim is also voting for Aman. Aman has quite many followers.
Melville is choosing the word.
We have Yash. I'm sorry, Ehsas. Okay, I know this word. Mehak is saying Vaishnavi will win. Okay, the drawing is going quite detailed there. Sakshi, Prerna, Ehsas and Akshit managed it,
It's
correct?
a 3-letter word. Okay, I guess I have guessed it.
Mohammed also guessed it correct. It was gem. All the best, Mohammed.
Muhammad is choosing the word.
It's a 4-letter small word. Let's see how many of you managed to guess it. Prem is asking why was the cherry there on a gem? That we'll have to ask Melville once he gets over with the game. Melville will give us an answer for that. Why he had cherry on the gem. Till then, let's clue, leaf, tree, nail, tree, stem, ping, root. No, guys. Let him draw. Maybe we can guess it. Anushri, please. Akshita got that correct. Followed by Will, Prerna, Ehsas. Two letters have been revealed. You can guess the other two and manage those points. Few seconds, last 5 seconds, buck up. Clock is ticking and the word is on. Maybe the, okay. Good try. All the best, Prerna. It's a 6-letter word. No, it's not water. It's not a droplet. She got that correct.
Is it a mist? No.
Ehsas also got it correct. Kishan is asking green corn. अरे वो कॉर्न के बाहर का बेचारा ने बनाया था. It has a green covering. Maybe that. Otherwise, he can give an
I'm
answer.
getting text on the WhatsApp for the answers.
Mehak is spamming us with the answers on WhatsApp.
Yes, guys, even you can spam us. Yes, It's bubble.
All the best, Vaishnavi. It's a small word of 5 letters. Sakshi got that
She
correct.
guessed the word.
Followed by Aisas, followed by Mohammed, Prerna. Ujjwal also got that correct. Akshita. We have Melville, Aman, Abhishek, and Yash now without a point. Okay, Abhishek also got that correct. Melville also got that right. Come on, Yash.
Leading, followed by Sakshi, then Akshita. Again, the girl power, huh?
Yes.
The word was ocean. Sakshi is choosing the word now. All the best, Sakshi.
यार अनुश्री इन लोगों से आधा भी अगर मेरा आर्ट स्किल होता ना, even I could have, instead of doing anchoring, I would have been a participant.
Seriously. When I am missing this.
अश्विन ने मुझे बोल दिया कि तेरा ड्राइंग इतना खराब है कि तू मत कर. I was removed by the techography department. Prerna got that correct. एहसास वही ना, इसीलिए तो एंकरिंग.
अच्छा.
ड्राइंग देख के अश्विन ने मना कर दिया कि ट्राई ही मत कर तू.
थोड़ा बूस्ट करना चाहिए था.
वही अश्विन यार.
Let's shift the topic to the game.
Yes, sure, Ashwin.
Okay, the second last word is T for the hint, if anyone needs that. And we have 4 correct answers. Okay, Fanta. Aman is now choosing the word. I think this should be the last for round 1, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it was the end of round 1.
No, round 1 is still going on.
Yeah, sorry, my bad.
It's a 4-letter word.
Okay.
No, it's not atom.
Is it? No, you cannot.
You cannot
write letters.
I
Disqualified, right?
Yeah. It's disqualified.
Who was the guy who was drawing it?
Yash. No, sorry. It's Aman.
Yeah.
Aman.
Oh, my bad. It was Aman.
Yeah, it's Aman. Aman, you are been disqualified.
You can continue playing, but
the points won't be counted.
Let's see what the word was. We'll.
Yeah, sure. Let's see the points.
Okay. No, we cannot consider it was high. He was trying to write B, if I'm not wrong.
I was writing buzz.
You can continue playing, but the results might not be in your favor. Let's see.
What Abhishek is drawing? It seems some complicated, I guess.
Building love. Okay, since it is complicated, Melville wrote it love. If that's what I'm guessing. Okay, no, my bad. Toenail, highway, pipe.
It's not a tunnel, fingers, no.
Aman left. Acha.
Yeah, and I'm saying this one.
7-letter word. Vaishnavi guessed it correct.
Mohammed got it correct. Haha, Prem. Buck up, the second last word is N, if anybody needs that hint to crack the word.
Sakshi guessed it correct. Great. Ehsas as well. Prerna. Guys, buck up.
It was bowling. Okay. Well tried. This round will not be considered. I request everybody to not guess Sakshi. This round will not be considered. Diksha, please check on the points.
Akshita think it's orange. Astrologer, is it? Astronaut. Shit.
Newton.
Newton का sir.
Now we begin with the round 2. All the best. Nobody writes letters.
Akshita.
Shrap is equal to curse. Achha. Shrap he meant to be. It's a 3-letter word.
Aman, I think you're not in the game. Please click the link given in the group.
Akshita trying hard. Nobody is able to guess. Come on, you guys will make it.
Essas has guessed it correct.
Oh, Aisha's guessed the
Great.
correct word. Sakshi, Prerna.
Sakshi guessed it. Prerna.
Really, it's a girls' day today. Girls taking it all. No, it's not.
Vaishnavi. It's not two. Mohammed guessed it correct.
It
Word
was
was arm. Now Essas is
we
choosing
have
the
last.
word. Essas is leading, followed by Sakshi and then Prerna. The list has not been changed yet, right?
Come on, guys, take the lead. Oh, this is a 3-word card. So guess it. Okay, Yash and Melville have managed to guess it.
In such a small time.
Okay, I think what it is.
Prerna guessed it right.
Abhishek, okay, it was Vinny the yeah.
Yash is choosing the word now.
Okay, this. Okay,
Everyone have guessed it. It's very simple.
Ujjwal just guess it, so yes. Acha, okay, okay. ठीक है. Ujjwal give up. Oh,
Dolphin. Melville is choosing a word.
all the best. Last few rounds, guys. Make it or change it. I'm guessing that-
Artist, huh? Again a stick.
Here, men. No, not an eye, arm, eat, man.
Old man. Old.
Okay, everyone guessed it correct other than Abhishek. Abhishek back up. We have Esas first, followed by Sakshi, followed by
Vaishnavi.
Now Muhammad is drawing. It's a 5-letter word, not his.
Not a valley, not a scene, no rocks, moons, Everest, no. Tower, no.
Time is
Rocket,
ticking.
no.
It's not mountain.
Sakshi guessed it right. Melville, Yash, Essas, Prerna.
I'm still clueless of what the word can be.
Yeah, seriously. It's not a valley, but then what is it?
Come on, Akshita, Vaishnavi, Abhishek. Maybe you can give it a try.
Even they are clueless like us. Egypt. Oh.
Okay. He made Egyptian pyramid. Okay. Seven-letter word, not blue. Building, cactus. Uh, apartment tower.
Melville guessed it correct. Essas,
Essas got
Sakshi.
Okay, there is sky. We have a hint for the fourth letter. Yash, Vaishnavi, Ujjwal, Muhammad guessed. Okay. Yeah.
The word was skyline. Vaishnavi, all the best.
Now the scoreboard is Ehsas on the top, followed by Sakshi, followed by
I think I have
Prerna.
guessed it. Yash has guessed it. Essas, Akshita, Sakshi, Prerna.
Here Mehak is also guessing it. Ujjwal, Muhammad.
Guys, spam the chat box. What do you think? Who will be the winner?
Okay, it's not a building, not glass. It's a long word. Let's see if we have votes for Ehsas. Ehsas will win is what everyone saying. Okay, Abhishek and Yash, back up. Abhishek, you're near. You're very okay. Anushri is
Abhishek
asking
is
if
choosing.
you guys think Abhishek can be the winner. Everyone from Abhishek's side can just vote in there and let's see if he actually makes it to the Champions Trophy. No, कोई Champions Trophy नहीं है तो खुश मत हो जाना वरना सब मेरे घर पे आ जाओगे फिर लेने. Okay, this is a long word. Let's see who makes it. Okay, Sakshi guessed it, Vaishnavi guessed it. Muhammad guessed it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Essas. Even Essas has guessed it.
Muhammad now guessed it correct. Ujjwal also guessed it. Melville, Yash, okay. Akshita left. Come on, Akshita.
Akshita, you can make it.
3 seconds. Okay, time over.
Electric guitar.
This round will not be considered. Do not guess it. Sakshi Ehsas have already guessed it. Diksha. उज्जवल लिख देता कि नेक्स्ट उसमें आ जाओ. Diksha, please consider the marks and deduct accordingly. Sakshi says, "Oh, you're welcome."
Sakshi is the winner.
Winner with us.
Congratulations, Sakshi, Esas, and जो भी तीसरा है.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.